Welcome to my channel. Before we begin, I want you to do something very simple but very powerful. Take a deep breath and ask yourself, what is the most important thing that you are lacking in this life? Is it the confidence to face any challenge? Or is it the ability to truly connect with the people around you so that they feel the love and sincerity from you? Whatever it is, I'm here today to share with you something that can change your life forever. Before continuing, don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to share these values with your loved ones so that they can also find the happiness and connection they deserve in life. Today, I want to bring you 3 extremely important steps in building a truly meaningful and deep emotional relationship with a girl. And I want you to know these steps are not tricks or remote games like you often see online. What I share here are real principles built on a foundation of sincerity, respect, and deep connection. This is how you can not only attract her attention, but also win her heart in a natural and powerful way. If you are ready to embark on a journey of self-transformation starting today, then join me in learning 3 important steps to build a fulfilling and memorable relationship before you start anything in a relationship. The most important thing you need to do is build trust with her. Trust is the solid foundation that you cannot ignore. Without trust, your relationship will easily collapse. Like a castle built on sand, just a slight wind can destroy everything. She must feel safe with. You must know that you are someone who can listen, understand, and always protect. Protect her not only in the best moments, but also in difficult times. Imagine if you were a girl. What would make you feel truly comfortable and safe with a man? That is when he is not just the man you see on the outside, but someone who truly understands and respects you. He will not rush anything, but always let things develop naturally according to its own flow. He will listen to you. Pay attention to every word and feel what you cannot say. When a man can make you feel safe, that is when you begin to feel a natural and strong attraction from him. Attraction does not only come from appearance or flashy gestures. It comes from understanding, from the sincere care you have for her. Let her know that you love her, not because of what she can give you, but because of the deep and real things that exist inside her. That is the power of love, of connection that not everyone can realize at first. When you do this, when she feels safe and respected from you, she will gradually open up and dare to enter a deeper relationship with you. At that moment, you will see a great change where the feelings between 2 people are no longer a search for fleeting joys, but a real long-term connection. That is a solid stepping stone for you to move to the next step in the relationship where love, understanding, and sincere feelings will always be the connecting thread between 2 hearts to communicate sincerely and connectedly. Communication is more than just words. It is a great bridge for 2 people to understand each other better. You don't have to be a talkative person, nor do you have to be an excellent speaker, but it is important that you know how to listen and share your thoughts and feelings clearly and sincerely. Remember, authenticity is what women are always looking for. Never try to say things you don't really care about or pretend to know everything. She doesn't need a perfect man, just someone who knows how to be honest with himself and with her. Women are not looking for a man who just agrees with everything they say. They crave a real connection. Someone who can understand and share different points of view without creating tension or conflict. She wants to feel that you are willing to share the things you are passionate about, but also not afraid to express your opinions when necessary. Most importantly, you always maintain an attitude of respect and willingness to learn from her, because a relationship is not only about giving, but also about learning and growing together. Think about it. A man who really knows how to listen will create a strong connection with his woman. When you listen to her, you not only remember what she says, but you also understand her feelings and deep desires. You become a companion, someone who can share the ups and downs of life. That is the foundation for building a long-term and sustainable relationship. It is sincere communication that will take you further in the relationship, not only making her feel a strong connection, but also making her feel safe, trusting, and loved. Then, you will become the person she always wants to. Share everything in life with the person she trusts to overcome life's challenges together. This connection is the key for your relationship to grow. And last long 3, create a relationship full of respect and appreciation. One of the things that women truly appreciate in their men is respect. But respect is not just about compliments or sweet words. True respect is shown through actions. When you make her feel appreciated, not just an object or an object to be conquered, she needs to feel that in this relationship, she is loved and respected as a real person, not for what she can give you. When you show her respect, you not only help your relationship grow strong and healthy, but you also help yourself become the person she has always been, looking for someone who is valuable and worthy of love. Respect doesn't mean you have to agree with everything she says, but knowing when to listen and when to express your opinion, especially when you are faced with differences. Showing respect will help you resolve things smoothly and calmly without causing any tension in a relationship. Respect should be a two-way process, not just a one-way street. Remember, when you treat her with respect, she will respond by treating you in the same way. This will not only help your relationship last, but will also make her feel secure and safe around you. She will see that you are someone she can trust and share everything with, because she knows that you will always value her feelings and opinions. A long-lasting relationship can only exist when both people feel respected and cared for by each other. When both of you learn to respect each other, the relationship will become more and more connected and create a natural attraction. This is the key factor that makes her always want to be with you and feel that you are the man she wants to build a future with. Respect is not easy to get, but once you learn to appreciate her, you will receive all the love and care that you deserve. Winning a girl's heart is not a competition, nor is it a game of strategy. It is a long journey where you will have to be patient, learn, and truly connect with her. A relationship develops not from quick acquaintances or impulsive actions, but from deep respect and understanding that both of you have for each other. Every step, every word, every action must come from the heart, and only then can the relationship develop sustainably. Always remember that confidence, sincere communication, and mutual respect are the 3 core elements that help you build a meaningful and strong relationship. Confidence is the strength from within the foundation that helps you not only confidently express yourself, but also makes her feel safe and confident when she is with you. Sincere communication will be a great bridge for you and her. To understand each other better, share your true thoughts and feelings instead of pretending or hiding important things. And finally, respect is the key to your relationship. Always developing in a positive direction, helping you not only love, but also cherish her in the way she deserves. So, are you ready to conquer her heart? Never think of a relationship as a battle that needs to be won, but see it as a journey full of love and understanding where both of you together cultivate beautiful moments, overcome difficulties together, and create a happy future together. Be the man who can bring peace to her heart, someone she can trust and rely on. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more useful shares to help you improve your love life. See you in the next video where we will continue our journey to discover the secrets to building a lasting and meaningful relationship.